Without any encryption data, database files can become an open door for attackers to steal sensitive data. In this video, I'll show you a quick demo to illustrate how serious this issue can be. Here I'm connected to a server where I have an Oracle Enterprise running without any tablespace encrypted. And right here, I have a second server that I'm gonna use to simulate an attacker or external system. For simplicity, I will identify a data file and a block that I can explore later in this demo. First, let's check all the tables and tablespaces that this Scott schema has. Now, let's confirm that the tablespace I want is not encrypted. Okay, it's not encrypted. I'm going to select some rows from the DEPT table and use the BMS row ID package to identify the file and the block ID where each row is stored. We can see that file ID is 17 and the block number is 134. Let's verify the name of data file 17. And here it is. Now, I will copy this data file using SCP from this database server to another server. This simulates a scenario where someone gains access to my disk, whether by misconfiguration, unauthorized access, or backup leak. Once it's there, I'm gonna extract block 134 using dd command. Here, the file created by the dd command. Now, I use hexdump command to view its contents. Right here, you can see some parts of table DEPT, such as operation, Boston, sales, research, just as shown in the database. You can also use the strings command to extract the text from this file. As you can see, it's possible to extract fragments of a row or even extract an entire row from a table using operation system commands. With no data encryption, table data is readable directly from the whole data file block. Imagine what an attacker could do with advanced tools to extract and decode even more from this file. So how do you prevent this kind of exposure? Let's go back to the original server and encrypt that tablespace. Before continuing, a quick disclaimer. You must be running Oracle Enterprise Edition and have the Oracle Advanced Security option licensed. Otherwise, you will need to find another way to encrypt the data, such as using DBMS crypto. In my case, I will use Alter Tablespace Encryption online. Now, let's confirm whether the tablespace is encrypted. Yes, it is encrypted. Let's check the data file name. Notice that Oracle changed the Oracle data file because the tablespace was online during the encryption. Here, I'm gonna copy using SCP. Okay, let's perform the same dd command. What happens when I run hexdump now? The same block is now encrypted and unreadable. With command strings the same. The kind of encryption we saw today is called data at rest. It protects the data, ensuring that even if someone gets access to your data file, it remains unreadable without the proper key. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.